In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a content link on Card.co. If you're building a simple landing page or a clean profile site, adding a link is one of the quickest ways to direct visitors to your portfolio, a shop, or a social profile. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can follow along confidently from start to finish. Start by heading to Card.co and logging into your account. That will take you to your dashboard where you can see any sites you've created. To make this super clear, we'll start fresh. Click New Site. Card will show you a set of templates, but for this tutorial we'll keep it minimal, so choose a blank page. A blank canvas makes it easy to focus on the link element without extra distractions. You'll now be in the card editor. Look for the add icon, which usually appears as a plus symbol on the sidebar. Click that to open the element picker. From the options, select Links. This category includes different ways to add link-based content. Next, choose Link. This inserts a single link element onto your page and opens its settings panel so you can configure it right away. In the settings, start with the label. This is the text your visitors will see and click, so make it clear and concise. For example, you might write View Portfolio, Shop Now, or Contact Me. A descriptive label helps people understand exactly where they're going. Below that, fill in the URL. Paste the full web address, including HTTPS// to ensure it works correctly. If you're linking to another section of your card page, you can use a section anchor. Otherwise, stick with a complete link to an external page. It's a good idea to double check for typos here, since a small mistake can break the link. Many browsers allow you to quickly verify by pasting the same URL into a new tab before you finalize it. When you're happy with the label and the URL, click Done. Your link is now placed on the page. If you want it to match your brand or stand out more, use the Appearance tab, sometimes shown as a paint icon, to adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. Subtle changes like increasing contrast or adding spacing can make a big difference in accessibility and readability. That's all there is to it. You've added a clean, functional content link on Card, ready to guide your visitors exactly where you want them to go.